Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Chick-fil-A points to a friend. Now let's get started. Now Chick-fil-A, the thing is, unfortunately, you can send the points directly to a friend, but don't worry, there's still a way to share the love. Now, while you can send points, you can send rewards to a friend. This is only available for rewards that you have redeemed using your points. Now, to send the reward, open the Chick-fil-A app or visit the website, then select the reward you want to send. Now, once you've chosen the item, click give to a friend. Alright, you need to redeem using your own points, then you can send the rewards. Now you can send directly, you can send the points directly. Alright, so once you have chosen an item, click give to a friend and follow the steps to create a shareable link. Now you will be able to share the link with the recipient of your choice. Once they receive the link, they can claim the reward, and that's it. Even though you can send any points directly, gifting rewards is a way to pass along some Chick-fil-A love. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.